All right, we're good. It's Ron and Rich. We're down here at the Schaumburg Convention Center at the, what's this called, Rich?
The Greater Chicagoland Home and Remodeling Show.
That's right. And, of course, they were doing the announcements right there. And we're with Chad, and you are with Green Tea Services, correct?
Correct. Yes.
Tell us what Green Tea is all about.
Green Tea is a local family company out of Aurora, Illinois. We do fertilizing and weed control was what we opened up in 2005. Basically, we expanded up through carpet cleaning, air duct cleaning. We have a landscape division that does your hardscaping and softscaping. We do replacement window and doors, garage doors. Have a home remodeling service. We have our new home remodeling showroom down in downtown Naperville, and we also have a handyman service for the smaller jobs. So, kind of a one-stop shop.
You're hitting everything there.
Yeah.
Wait, is somebody just have too much time on their hands? What's going on with you guys?
No, we've expanded over the years. We've had a couple of companies that wanted to go out of business, and we took over with their crews. And
okay, so
like we don't have our lawn care technicians doing our home remodeling.
Okay, good.
They're separated.
Yeah,
it's
it's
the same
also
guy with different hats in the truck.
Correct. It's all separate divisions under one.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, that's good. So, Green Tea Services.
Green Tea Services.
And where can they find you? Your website?
We are in Aurora. It's greenteaservices.com.
Okay.
Just the letter T, so green, the letter T, and the word services.
Is that the truck that has the T on it?
Yes,
That's
it
you
is.
guys.
You can't go anywhere without seeing our trucks.
That's right. Cool. Well, I appreciate your time, Chad.
No problem.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you. Come on out and visit us.
All right, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Set up by
And
paying service.
finish.
And that way you can